Welcome to section 5. In this section, we're going to learn how to add menu items to the status bar and how to add actions to this menu. We are also going to learn how to display alerts and how to show an app in a popover. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove the window completely from the app that we developed in the previous section. The end goal is to display the app user interface only when a menu item is clicked on the status bar. We're going to continue with the project we developed in the last section. Open the social sharing app if you don't already have it running. Let's run the app to see the current state. If you go to the dock, you'll be able to see that the app has an icon which shows the name of the project. You can also see that the app is actually running in a standalone window. What we're trying to achieve in this section is to be able to display the app only when a menu item is selected in the status bar. A common example of such app is Dropbox app, which only runs in the status bar. So if you go to your status bar and then you select the Dropbox, for example, so this is the Dropbox, you can see that Dropbox only run in the status bar. Even though Dropbox is running, if you go to my dock, you can see that we do not have any Dropbox icon. You can also see that Dropbox doesn't run as a standalone window. You can only see Dropbox app when you click on the status bar. So this is the same thing that we want to achieve with this app, so that whenever we select a menu item inside of a menu bar, that is the only time that we're going to be showing the app in a popover. The first step is to make the app not run in any window. In order to do that, select the main.storyboard. Let me click on Done so that we don't see the toolbar. What you want to do is to select the window controller scene at the top here and then go to the Attribute Inspector. There is an option here that says is Initial Controller. This option means that this is the entry point for your app. Pay attention to this particular arrow. Whenever I remove this option, is Initial View Controller, you can see that the arrow disappears. So right now it means that we do not have any entry point for the app. So that means that when we run the app, we're not going to see any window. So even though the app is running successfully, we cannot see any more window. So we've completed the first step. But if you go to the dock, you can still see that the icon is still showing. The next step is to make sure that this icon does not show in the dock. What we need to do is to modify our playlist file. Go to the project navigator and then select the info.plist file. What you want to do is to right click on empty space here and then select add row. We're looking for this option that says application is agent with UI element inside of the bracket. So select this option, and then this option is going to be a boolean with a yes or no value. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you set the value to a yes. By setting this option which says application is agent to yes, it means that when we run the application, we're not going to see any window. At the same time, you can see now that in the dock, we don't have any more icon. Even though the application is running, we do not have any more icon and we do not have any more windows. Make these two changes to your project to remove the window and the icon, and we're going to be continuing in the next video.